Hello everyone. In this video, I want to explain about Bayes theorem. Okay, so before we dive into this topic, there is a prerequisite to help you understand this idea, which is conditional probability. I've explained it before in this video, so if you want to, please check it out. All right. So to understand Bayes theorem, I guess it will be easier to make an illustration about it. So imagine that we have two events, which are event A and event B. And then we make a probability square. And this side here, this area here is A's. So the probability of event A happening is in this side, while the probability of event A doesn't happen is in this side. Okay, now not only we have, the probability of even A, the space for even A, but we also have for even B, but given even A has happens. Okay, so as you can see here, this is our conditional probability. It means that it tells the probability of even B happening given A has happened. And this one here is when A has happened. Now, as for this side here, it is for the probability of even B happens. Okay, the probability of even B happening given A doesn't happen. Now, please, okay. Now, please take a look here. And I guess you should delete it. Now, please take a look here. Now, if we multiply this side here with this side here, then we will get this area. On the other hand, if we multiply this side here with this side over here, we will get this area. Now, if we are talking about Bayes theorem, then we only want to know the, what is it, I guess it is about calculating the probability. And in order to calculate that probability, we calculate, with this, intuitive formula, which means we have to divide the red rectangle divided by the red rectangle and the blue rectangle. And also we could calculate the blue rectangle divided by the red rectangle plus the blue rectangle. Okay, so you see here, Bayes theorem is either this calculation or this calculation. All right. Now it is just very intuitive, right? We have no, but we want to make it more mathematical. So if we make a mathematical formula for it, it will be like this. All right. Now don't freak out. It isn't that hard. So for this formula here, it represents this intuitive formula. All right. Now, as you can see here, wait, let me just, this one here, is here, right? And this one here is this one here. All right. Now, if we multiply this and this, we will get this area. Therefore, this area here will represent this rectangle. And of course, for this one and this one, it is the same formula, which means this one and this one. And also for this one here, it means this blue rectangle. And I guess it is quite clear. So this one here, multiply, which means multiply by here, we will get this blue rectangle here. Okay. And this one for this one. How about this one? So while this formula is for this one, okay, this formula here is for here. Well, the idea is still the same because this blue rectangle here represents this formula. Well, it is still the same, still the same. And here means the same thing as here. And the difference is just this one, the upper one in fraction denominator, I guess. Yeah, I guess it is called the denominator. I forgot. All right, so it isn't that hard, I guess. It is quite simple. It is not really that hard. All right, so we got the idea of the Bayes theorem.